My name is Dave Oldenhage. I am the Pharmacy Technician Program Director and General Faculty here at Ames Education. My role here at Ames is to lead adult learners through a progressive didactic and laboratory-based experience to gain entry into the workforce as a pharmacy technician. National certification is required to be able to work in the state of New Jersey within a hospital, and we offer hybrid learning as well as hands-on manipulations within our lab. Our preparation starts by educating the student in all aspects of the pharmacy profession. We start with the history. We roll into law and ethics. We roll into references. We spend weeks talking about pharmaceutical calculations. We talk about the pharmacokinetics, the pharmacodynamics, and the pharmacology of the medications, what the drug does to the body, how the drug moves through the body, and the actual chemical structure of the drug. We prepare students in lab to learn how to do non-sterile compounding, making creams, ointments, lotions, nasal sprays. Students garner skill sets by working with IV sets, tubing, bags, needles, and syringes to be able to do admixtures and to simulate TPNs. And we finalized their program talking about the body systems related to the medications that we are talking about. The technology that we use in the pharmacy technician program is a skill set based competency for non-sterile and sterile compounding. Students get hands-on experience using laboratory equipment such as those what you see behind me, glassware, beakers, spatulas, ointment slabs, creams, ointments, paste, solutions, irrigation solutions. And then we transition that into your sterile injectables, your multi-dose vials, your single-dose vials, ampules, and then we all have this related to our sterile admixtures. Ames, above all, is student-centered. They always have the student in mind first. Within the pharmacy technician program, we value your dedication, your time. Our goal is to give you the successful tools to be able to garner a solid professional career within the pharmacy technician or pharmacy industry. I wish you nothing but the best in your decision and hope to see you soon.